Hey folks, are you drowning in chatbots and opinions when all you want are real answers backed by science? Consensus is an AI research engine that uses peer-reviewed studies to answer your questions. No takes, no guesswork, just proper academic research. It searches millions of academic papers, ranks the most relevant ones, and then summarizes the findings for you with citations, using some seriously powerful tools. In this video, we're going to walk through those tools, especially Deep Search. It's going to blow your mind, so lock in and let's take a look. This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions. To access the official site for the Consensus app, simply click the link provided in the video description, which will take you directly to the homepage of this innovative AI tool. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, with navigation options like Home, History, and My Favorites on the left sidebar, allowing you to easily track your activity and store important PDF files for future reference. At the center, you'll find the prompt bar where you can enter your research queries. Consensus AI provides access to over 200 million research papers, with a particularly strong collection in the medical field. When conducting a search, you can choose from three modes: Quick, Pro, and Deep. Quick mode summarizes findings from 10 papers for a rapid overview. Pro mode analyzes up to 20 papers for a more detailed synthesis. And Deep mode enables comprehensive literature reviews across approximately 50 papers. To refine your search, Consensus AI offers robust filters by publication year, journal rank, citation count, methodology, field of study, and more, making it highly effective for targeted academic research, literature reviews, or compiling comprehensive tables. Example prompts are provided to help expedite your academic writing process. For instance, if you're interested in the correlation between social media use and sleep duration, you can enter this query. Then you need to choose Deep to carry out a comprehensive literature review, which allows Row to cite 50 relevant sources. Once you set your preferences and hit Enter, Consensus AI initiates a thorough, multi-step research process, including an initial survey, identification of foundational concepts, terminology clarification, subgroup analysis, contrasting findings, mechanism expansion, construct exploration, citation graph analysis, and finally, ranking the most relevant papers based on influence, recency, strength of evidence, and overall research quality. In practice, the tool may screen over 1,000 papers, narrowing them down to the 50 most relevant sources. The output begins with a concise summary, such as confirming a consistent negative correlation between social media use and sleep duration, followed by a comprehensive introduction referencing dozens of studies. The consensus meter visually summarizes the findings, for example, showing that 88% of papers support the correlation, while 12% do not, providing a clear, evidence-based overview. The Methods section details the literature search strategy, including the number of papers screened and eligibility criteria, while timelines, citation counts, and key contributors are also displayed. A discussion section synthesizes the findings, and a claims and evidence table presents major claims with the strength of supporting evidence, often based on large-scale, cross-sectional, longitudinal, and meta-analytic studies. The conclusion summarizes the main findings, and a research gaps section highlights areas where further experimental or longitudinal studies are needed, even providing a matrix of existing research types and open research questions to guide future inquiry. Consensus AI allows you to download the list of cited studies in various formats, view abstracts and summaries, save papers for future reference, and generate citations in APA, MLA, Chicago, and more, with easy sharing options for collaboration. As an academic research expert, I find Consensus AI to be a transformative tool for literature reviews and evidence synthesis. Its structured, transparent process not only saves time, but also enhances the rigor and reproducibility of academic work. The ability to filter, analyze, and visualize large bodies of literature while identifying research gaps and providing citation-ready outputs makes it invaluable for students, researchers, and professionals alike. Furthermore, the platform's integration of advanced AI algorithms ensures that the most relevant and high-quality studies are prioritized, reducing the risk of bias and oversight that can occur in manual reviews. The inclusion of features such as citation graph analysis and research gap identification empowers users to not only understand the current state of research, but also to pinpoint areas where further investigation is needed, fostering a more dynamic and forward-thinking approach to scholarship. Additionally, Consensus AI's user-friendly export and sharing options facilitate collaboration among research teams, making it easier to disseminate findings and support evidence-based decision-making in both academic and professional settings. I highly recommend trying Consensus AI for your next research project. Use the link in the description to get started. Share your experience in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI-related academic tools and tutorials.